Hi friends, today I'll share with you chocolate brownie recipe. You can serve them with fruits. Hot brownie with ice cream is a heavenly dessert. It's having dense fudgy deep chocolate taste and on top of that smooth chocolate ganache. Let's begin. Preheat your oven to 150 degrees centigrade, which is around 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a square cake pan with aluminium foil. It will be easier to take the cake from the pan using this foil. Spray oil on that so that it can easily come out of the cake. Take 100 grams unsweetened chocolate. You may use bittersweet or semi-sweet chocolate if you like. This chocolate will give the dense texture of your brownie. Add the similar amount of room temperature butter. Then we will put this bowl into micro oven and microwave it for 30 seconds. After that, you can check that chocolate and butter should be melted. Mix them well with spatula to get a smooth liquid. There should not be any chunk of chocolate inside this liquid. Then we will add the other ingredients. Also, the temperature should be warm, not too hot. You should check it with your finger. Now transfer this mixture in another bowl that should be a bit bigger one. I use this glass bowl because that was micro oven proof. Now add 1 cup of powdered white sugar. And mix it with the liquid mixture. You will get a granular structure first, but don't panic, it is supposed to be like this. You will get a smooth texture like I'm showing. Then add 3 eggs one at a time, and those should be room temperature. Mix them with the mixture one by one. Now add vanilla extract. Try to use pure vanilla extract, it gives lots better flavor. 1.5 teaspoon vanilla extract is good for this. So we are done with our liquid ingredients. Mix them all together and whisk 5 to 7 minutes, and then you will get this kind of texture. You can see how beautiful this is. Then we will go to this dry ingredients part. 3/4 cup all-purpose flour and half teaspoon baking powder. Mix them together and then strain this dry mixture into this wet mixture. The straining will ensure that your dry mixture will distribute equally with this wet mixture, and that helps a lot to mix and prepare the batter well. The straining also helps to bind the air inside, and that makes the texture of this brownie very nice. Now we are done with our batter. Pour this into the cake tin and make sure that it's equally distributed inside the cake tin, and make this surface flat. Now keep the cake tin in the middle rack of your oven, preheated oven. Now set the temperature 150 degrees centigrade, which is 300 degrees Fahrenheit, and let it be there for 25 minutes. 25 minutes is over. Let's check whether the cake is ready or not. It seems it's ready. Let's check with a toothpick. If you touch the top of the cake, you can feel that it's done, and if you insert a toothpick, that should come out clean. So our brownie part is ready. We will cool it until it gets completely cooled down. Then we will pour the ganache on top of this. In between, let's prepare the ganache. For the ganache, take 100 grams of milk chocolate, 1 teaspoon butter and 100 grams of heavy whipping cream. For milk chocolate ganache, the chocolate and whipping cream ratio should be 1:1. Then we will microwave it for 30 seconds and then we will mix all together. Make sure that no lump will be there. You should get a smooth ganache like this. Then let this ganache be cool for around 15 minutes. We will not pour the hot ganache on top of our cake. So after it cools down a bit, let's pour the ganache on top of our brownie and let it cool down in the refrigerator for around half an hour. Then we will cut the brownie and we will serve it with fruits or ice cream. This is having dense and fudgy chocolate brownie texture, and on top of that smooth chocolatey ganache. Isn't it very yummy? I have decorated them with mint leaves and raspberry. You can decorate them as you like, with strawberry or with any other fruits, or you can serve with vanilla ice cream. Hot brownie with vanilla ice cream is a heavenly combination. comment section. Please let me know whether you like this recipe or not, and like the video if you like it, and subscribe to our channel. Make this brownie in home and let me know how it was. Bye for now.